Hello tech lovers, today's video is on 5 best drone on Amazon under $500. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this video. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. The very next Tucok 193 Max 2S we have, drone the ultimate flying companion for outdoor adventures. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, this drone is perfect for both novice and experienced flyers. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a 4K eyes camera, the Tucok 193 Max 2S delivers crisp and clear aerial footage, giving you the perfect view of your surroundings. The drone's 4K and video transmission range ensures you never miss a moment, even from afar. The 5G FPV quadcopter with brushless motor provides a smooth and stable flight experience, even in windy conditions. This drone is packed with smart features, including obstacle avoidance, auto return home, and follow me, making it easy to fly and control. With its GPS smart features, you can easily plan your flight path and monitor your drone's status. The Tucok 193 Max 2S drone is designed for maximum user convenience. Its foldable design and compact size make it easy to transport, and the included carrying case keeps your drone and accessories organized and protected. Plus, the drone comes with all the accessories you need for a seamless flying experience. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a professional photographer, the Tucok 193 Max 2S drone is the perfect companion for capturing stunning aerial footage. So why wait? Order your drone today and start exploring the world from above. We can finish it up with the Bwine F7 2GB drone is the perfect choice for any aerial photography enthusiast. With its high-quality 4Kelvin camera and 3-axis gimbal, you can capture stunning images and video with ease. This drone has an impressive transmission range of up to 9,800 feet, allowing you to explore and capture images from far-away location. The drone comes with 2 batteries that offer a combined flight time of up to 50 minutes, ensuring you have enough time to capture all the footage you need. With GPS auto return and follow me functions, you can fly the drone with ease, and it will automatically return to you when the battery is running low or the signal is weak. Thanks to its level 6 wind resistance, this drone can withstand strong winds and remain stable in flight. It also features intelligent flight modes, such as waypoints and follow me, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. The Bwine F7 2GB drone is easy to control and comes with a user-friendly remote controller that provides you with complete control over the drone. It also comes with a quick and responsive customer support team that can help you with any issues you might encounter. Overall, if you're looking for a drone that delivers exceptional performance and image quality, the Bwine F7 2GB is a fantastic choice. Furthermore, we have the Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K drone in our list. Is a powerful and versatile quadcopter that is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal and a 4K camera, you can take high-quality photos and videos with ease. The gimbal provides stability and smoothness to your footage, ensuring that your shots are always steady and shake-free. One of the most impressive features of the Potensic Dreamer Pro is its 2km transmission range, allowing you to fly the drone farther than ever before. The drone is also equipped with a powerful brushless motor that provides efficient and reliable performance. With a 28-minute flight time, you can take your time to capture the perfect shot without worrying about running out of battery. The Potensic Dreamer Pro is a big-sized drone, which means it can handle strong winds and fly with more stability. It also has auto-return functionality, ensuring that the drone returns to its takeoff location if it loses signal or if the battery runs low. The drone also has a variety of advanced features, including GPS positioning, follow me mode, and one-key takeoff landing. These functions make it easier to control the drone and capture amazing footage. Additionally, the drone comes with a portable carry case and a 32GB SD card, allowing you to store your footage and take the drone with you on the go. Overall, the Potensic Dreamer Pro 4K drone is a multifunctional and powerful drone that is perfect for anyone who wants to capture high-quality aerial footage. With its advanced features, long transmission range, and extended accessories, you can take your aerial photography to the next level. So why wait? Order your Potensic Dreamer Pro today and start capturing amazing footage from the sky. We can start things off with the Ruko F11 GIM2 drone. Is the perfect companion for capturing stunning aerial footage. With a 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal, You can take professional quality videos and photos with ease. The electronic image stabilization ICE technology further enhances the quality of your footage by eliminating any unwanted movements or vibrations. One of the most impressive features of the Ruko F11 GIM2 drone is its long-range video transmission, which can reach up to 9,800 feet in real time. This means you can capture footage from a distance, giving you a unique perspective on your surroundings. The drone is equipped with 2 batteries, providing a total flight time of up to 56 minutes. This allows you to take your time to capture the perfect shot without worrying about running out of battery. The GPS drone feature ensures accurate positioning, making it easy to return the drone to its takeoff location with the push of a button. The Ruko F11 GIM2 drone is also designed to withstand level 6 winds, making it perfect for flying in harsh weather conditions. With its follow me mode and auto return features, the drone can easily track and follow you, allowing you to capture amazing footage of your adventures. Overall, the Ruko F11 GIM2 drone is a powerful and reliable drone that is perfect for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial footage. With its advanced features, including a 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, and long-range video transmission, you can take your aerial photography to the next level. So why wait? Order your Ruko F11 GIM2 drone today and start capturing amazing footage from the sky. Up next, we have the DJI Mavic Mini in our list. Is a compact yet powerful drone that delivers exceptional performance and stability. This Flycam quadcopter UAV is perfect for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos, thanks to its 2.7 kAh camera and 3-axis gimbal. With a maximum flight time of 30 minutes, this drone is perfect for long-range flying, and its lightweight design, weighing less than 0.55 pounds, makes it easy to carry around. The DJI Fly app is required for operating the Mavic Mini, and it allows you to easily control the drone and adjust its settings. The app also includes a variety of intelligent features, such as quick shots and active track, which make it easy to capture professional quality footage and photos. One of the most notable features of the DJI Mavic Mini is its stability. The drone is equipped with a range of sensors that help it maintain a stable position in the air, even in windy conditions. This stability is further enhanced by the 3-axis gimbal, which helps to eliminate any unwanted movements or vibrations in the footage. Overall, the DJI Mavic Mini is a powerful drone that is perfect for anyone who wants to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. With its compact size, powerful camera, and advanced stability features, this drone is perfect for both beginners and professionals. So why wait? Order your DJI Mavic Mini today and take your aerial photography to the next level.
If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.